Personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, is critical to ensuring your safety and the integrity of the samples that you obtain as part of your environmental monitoring plan. The Center for Disease Control, or the CDC, has outlined best practices for PPE use when dealing with sample procedures and has provided guidelines for the use of face masks, safety glasses, face shields, gowns and lab coats, and disposable gloves to prevent the spread of disease. You need to apply these principles when sampling your environment to ensure your safety and the effectiveness of your environmental monitoring program. Where available, it is recommended that you utilize all of the CDC recommended PPE for aseptic sample collection.
Before putting on your PPE, begin by washing your hands for 20 seconds in clean soapy water. If a sink or hand washing station is not available, you may apply hand sanitizer. When applying hand sanitizer, you should continuously rub in the sanitizer until your hands are completely dry. Hand sanitizer should never be used in place of hand washing. Immediately after washing your hands, place your face mask or respirator over your nose and mouth and ensure that it fits snugly. Secure the straps around your ears or behind your head. For tight-fitted masks, like an N95 respirator, you need to do a seal test each time you apply the mask to verify that a good seal has been created around your nose and face. Additionally, you should get fit tested annually for all tight-fitted masks for optimum protection. Next, put on your lab coat or gown and ensure that it is fully buttoned or tied up. Put on your face shields or goggles and adjust to your comfort level. After putting on all of the above PPE, wash your hands or apply hand sanitizer once more before putting on your gloves. Where possible, tuck the end of your gown or lab coat into the wrist opening of the glove to ensure a complete protection barrier. When you have finished your sample collection and are ready to take off your PPE, use the following process to ensure you do not come into contact with the outside of your used PPE. Begin by removing your gloves. To do so in a safe manner, start by pinching one glove at the wrist and pulling so that it turns inside out as it is removed. Discard this removed glove, and then with your ungloved hand, insert your fingers into the opening at the wrist of the glove, being careful not to touch the outside of the glove with your ungloved hand. Pull at the wrist of the glove so that it turns inside out and can be discarded. Remove your glasses or face shield by making minimal contact with any of the protective surfaces. Remove your gown or lab coat, being careful not to touch the exterior sleeves. Finally, remove your mask or respirator. Do not touch the mask, only the straps or ties.
If you have any questions regarding PPE, please reach out to your Eurofins representative for support before proceeding. Your safety is the utmost importance. Thank you for choosing Eurofins to help keep you and your team safer at work.